All right, you guys, so we have our fire turtle tapestry here. I'm gonna try to speed through this as much as I can, and then I'll talk a little bit right after. Actually, no, we'll just talk now. So this was originally in order, and not the specific one, but the way that I did it. And it's gonna definitely look a little bit different, but not by much. I did the exact same thing, dye and all everywhere. So I'm excited to see it, and I'm not gonna be very surprised, I guess. Everybody loved the original sea turtle tapestry. If somebody gets a hold of me about this one, I want to keep it, but I probably shouldn't. Anyway, so if you are looking on my channel and you see a shirt or a spiral or anything like that that you happen to really like, I do have a website for those of you that don't know, for the new people here. My website is www.riahstieDye.com. That is it. So yes, I have every spiral that I make goes on there. It may take me a day or two to put it up there, but I do. Also, if you go to my contact me page on my website, it will directly email me, my personal email, and you will be talking to me about a custom order of whatever you want. So if you want anything specific, let me know. All right, so here is the fire turtle tapestry. Alright, you guys, so that is the fire turtle tapestry. I think I recreated it pretty good, except we got a fat turtle today, so that's awesome. I like him like that. So, if you have any questions or you want to say anything to me in the comments down below, I will always answer. So, comments down below. Don't forget to check my website, and if you're interested in some Riah merch, there's normally a bar down below my video that shows you everything that's available. So, thank you so much for coming to my channel and watching my videos. Happy tie-dyeing!